In this video, we're going to show you to replace the cabin air filter on your Nissan Rogue, located up underneath your center console. To gain access to the cabin air filter, right on the right-hand side of the gas pedal here, this is plastic trim. The filter is up underneath the dash behind this panel. Grab that panel, gently pull outward. Pop that off and set it aside. Up underneath, just to the right of the gas pedal, right here is the access panel to your cabin air filter. On the bottom, there's just a clip. I want to go ahead and pop that off and use our trim tool here to go underneath and pop that out. Remove that door. And the cabin air filter is inside here, and I can actually see all the debris already. You can see this here has plenty of debris in it. Go ahead and discard that. Now you want to go ahead and try and clean whatever you can out of there. I'm going to use this pick with the angle on it and just put it in there and drag out. Just continue to do this until there's no debris left in there. Then we'll install our new unit. Now when installing the unit, you want to check the airflow direction on the filter. Make sure you install that correctly. Now this here does compress down on itself, and we're going to need that to do that to install this filter. As you slide that in, it pops right back up into shape. You can see that's fit in there nice. And line up our access door here. Press the top in. Line up the bottom, snap that into place. And there you have it. Install the side foot panel here. There is a spot right here that is going to slip into a metal bracket right here. And then the rest just snaps into place. So slide that up. I'm going to push that back and press it on. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.